Creating 3D prints.
Hiya guys, this is the Capri all finished. As you can see, it's got the LED lights, and I'm going to just do a quick test run. The little battery what comes with it, I haven't converted it yet. It's only a little 500 milliamp, and it's got the LED, so there's only like 2 or 3 minutes drive time on it, I bet. Yeah, that's it. All done, all finished. Looks pretty cool. And let's enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching.
We've got some off-price cracked toys, 2 miles and miles of carpet tiles, TVs, deep freezing David Bowie LPs, pool games, gold chains, what's the names, and adipus, some Trevor Francis track seats from a mush and shepherd's bush, no income tax, no VAT, no money back, no guarantee, black or white, or rich or poor, we'll cut prices at a straw. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van, 'cause if you want the best guns but you don't ask questions, then brother,